There are many situations where regular sanitary facilities aren't available. For instance, when camping with a tent or trailer tent, or while renovating your home. And for all these situations, the Porta Potti is a perfect solution. The Porta Potti is a portable toilet, available in many different versions, but they all work in basically the same way. The top part is the toilet section, consisting of a toilet lid and seat, a flush water tank, and a flush water pump. The bottom section is the waste holding tank. Before you can start using it, you first need to prepare it. You fill the flush water tank with water and add a dose of aqua rinse concentrated. You'll also need to prepare the waste holding tank, but I'll come back to that in a moment. When you're ready to use it, first open the valve so the waste flows into the waste holding tank. After flushing, close the valve again. After a while, the tank will be full and needs to be emptied at an appropriate disposal point. Next, you remove the top section, the toilet, from the waste tank. Move the spout forward. Take the cap off. Press the vent button before emptying it, then rinse it several times with clean water. Next, fill it with 2 to 3 litres of clean water. A dose of Aquachem additive and it's ready for use again. For more information, visit Thetford.com.